Check out this bunbo hui. That tiny red chili pepper looks innocent, but looks can be deadly.
Aha! The tongue spot's a treat. Is that a strawberry candy? Nope. Looks spicy and delicious. Let's eat.
Boom! Explosion! It's not candy, it's a capsaicin grenade. Tactical nuke detained in the mouth. Fire! Fire in the hole! The tongue is officially incinerated. Call the fire department. Water! I need water! Rocket incoming! A trail of blazing fire is shooting up the nerves straight to the HQ. Hot stuff coming through. Brain alert! The brain is panicking. The control room is overheating. Hit the emergency cooling button now.
Open the floodgates. Sweat glands are popping off. We are turning into a human fountain up here. Incoming! A ball of molten lava is dropping down the throat. Clear the path or get burned.
The stomach was chilling, but now it sees a fireball approaching. Oh no, this is going to hurt.
Splash! Direct hit! The acid pool is boiling over. It's a volcanic eruption inside the belly. Ouch! Wait for a strong stomach. Like that like button, digest the share, and absorb the subscribe bell. Do it now!
The stomach has turned into a blast furnace. I'm burning up down here. Hey, mouth, I'm filing a lawsuit. Look at the tongue. Charred to a crisp, fanning itself like crazy, but the heat won't go away. The brain deploys countermeasures. Release the tears and snot. Cry me a river to wash away the pain.
Look at that face! Tomato red, steam blowing out of the ears. Literal cartoon character mode activated. Drinking water? Rookie mistake. The oil just spreads the fire everywhere. It's a grease fire in the mouth. Stomach is shut down, closed for maintenance. Indigestion gas is leaking everywhere. Rumble in the jungle.
The brain is fed up, hitting the punishment button. Brace yourselves for a seismic event.
Hiccup! Massive shockwave. The whole body just jumped a foot in the air. That was a big one.
Cooling down finally. Bandages on the tongue, ice pack on the tummy. We survived the spicy war.
Don't mess with the chili pepper. Eat spicy food with caution or pay the price.